Hi, my name is Daniel Castro. I will make a presentation for the courses Statical Inference. Uh, this is my document that I am working on it with the exercises. After that, I will make a presentation to answer these two questions. The first one is, how do you think inferential statics contribute to your professional future? So, statical inference, industrial engineering, can or contribute to keeping track of process times in each sector of manufacturing a product. It can develop sampling, random observations, control charts that can help detect problems in production lines. So after these courses, all this knowledge, I can apply on my future job as a industrial engineer, industrial engineers. The second question is, how do you think a professional and your career contribute to the community and social environment? As an industrial engineer, my career can contribute to the community by helping to develop or improve new methods or systems in the social field, such as information, energy, people. All that through what has been studied during the degree, such as analysis, methods, designs to specify results, prediction, or evaluation of results to the method. This is Thank you so much.